Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to separate audio from video in Camtasia. First, open Camtasia, import the video you want to work with.
The next interaction that happened.
So here you can see the video has an audio. To separate the audio from this video, right click on the video clip on the timeline. Select Separate Audio and Video. You now have two separate tracks, one for the video and one for the audio. You can edit each track independently. For example, I want to cut the audio from here and mute the video for the rest, so just select the frame of the audio and split the audio by press S key and delete the rest. And here you can see there is no audio in the video as well. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.